James and my company Washello is an eco-friendly mobile car cleaning company in London. Our job is to provide low-cost car cleaning straight to your vehicle. With over 8 years experience and thousands of cars cleaned, we've managed to pack a full car cleaning operation onto the back of a scooter. Strapped with 40 litres of water, pressure washer, polishers and a hoover, we can provide a solid clean all around London. So let's go. So here we are, another sunny day in London, and I'm just travelling on East London, just on the edge of Walthamstow, heading into central London. And now, riding with 40 litres of water on the back of your bike isn't an impossible task. You do feel the weight. It's just like riding around with a pillion passenger on the back. You just got to be a little bit careful, negotiate traffic with a little bit more time. But overall, it's not an impossible job. You can actually do this on a 125cc scooter. Now, this customer just has an exterior clean. We won't show the location, but I will pull up next to the car, park up.
What is this? What's that?
We'll park up next to the vehicle and offer a solid clean. Now, the good thing about using a bike is you can slip just next to cars. You don't have to pull out cones and make space for a van. You can actually slip in the side of individual cars and not even detach the water. You can use the hose directly from the bike. As you see here, I'm covering the car with a traffic film remover, non-caustic traffic film remover. This gets rid of the majority of the dirt and grime which is on the car. And then we provide a light haze of water just to get that agitated, and then we blast it off. Now, I use a Works pressure washer. I've used many other pressure washers before, but the Works pressure washer tends to be the best one. It's light and deals quite a bit of power. So once I've delivered water and washed off most of the TFR, I use a microfiber brush to give it a wipe down. Now, the good thing about the microfiber brush is that it doesn't have a lot of friction and a lot of contact with the car. So after each panel, you give it a wet down and then go again with some more shampoo. Then after we've done that, we wash off the car. And then finally, we add a detailing spray as we damp off the car using a microfiber towel. There we go. So the car looks incredibly good, especially with that microfiber, especially with that detailing spray. And I only charged the customer £23.94, and that includes inflating her tyres because they were a bit flat from the winter weather. So there we go. We're off back across London to our next customer. Now, I've got half the amount of water I have to begin with, so I've only got 20 litres left. So you can actually do 2 cars with about 40 litres of water, but it's always good to make sure you've got a full tank of water for each vehicle, because you never really know what state each car's going to be in. This is a BMW. This had a lighter clean. It only had a slight traffic film on it, so I just used traffic film remover. This is a frequent customer of mine, so I really know the state of this car. The good thing about traffic film remover is you don't have to apply any pressure to the car. You can spray this stuff on and blast it off. And then once you're done, you finish with a detailing spray and a microfiber cloth just to make sure we get every little bit of dirt left on the car. Right, now off to the next customer. This is a nice little ride through, I think this is North London here. Eventually I'll get the camera to look straight and look a little bit better. And the sun was just coming out and it felt really good. So I did stop off and fill up with water. And I had a quick job to do in North London where this customer just wanted the exterior. Now, white cars can be a little bit problematic because white cars can look pretty bad if they've been left for a while. This car had been left for quite a long time, I think over 6 months. But we cleaned it off. And off to the next customer. Be careful of these side roads. Although I'm full of water, these bumps and these potholes make riding through them very challenging.
tire shine on there.
Clean on the interior.
And now we get to look at
Deep
the
sea
interior.
shampoo, which we do because we carry a wet dry vac with us. So the idea is we hoover out the whole car. Then we apply a small amount of water to the fabric, agitate it with soap, and then we hoover it all back. There's stuff that's here, we agitate designed to be the best at what